Patchy dense fog originating from the Atlantic will reduce visibilities across the beaches and near inlets along the South Carolina and Georgia coasts through early this evening. Patchy fog could become more common south of the Savannah River. Visibilities may be reduced to 1/2 to 1/4 of a mile at times. The fog may become locally dense, reducing visibilities on area roadways. Motorists traveling near the coast should exercise caution. If driving, slow down and leave extra distance ahead of you in case a sudden stop is needed.